In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files and folders in Zoho WorkDrive. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to relocate your content so your workspace stays organized and easy to navigate. Whether you're cleaning up your private space or restructuring project folders, the process is the same. First, open Zoho WorkDrive in your browser and make sure you're signed in to your account. From the main interface, look for the section called Recent Files. This is usually one of the default views and shows items you've worked on or accessed recently. Even though we're focusing on moving files and folders, starting from recent files gives you a quick overview of what you might want to organize. Next, navigate to My Folders. You'll typically see this option on the left-hand side of the screen or in your main navigation menu. Click on My Folders to switch from the recent view into your actual folder structure. This is important because this is where you'll see your private space and the folders that contain your files. Once you're in My Folders, locate the specific file or folder you want to move. When you hover over an item, you'll notice a small checkbox appear next to its name. Click on that box to select the file or folder. If you want to move more than one item at a time, you can click the boxes next to each relevant file or folder. This allows you to move multiple items in a single action, which can save you a lot of time. After you've selected your item or items, look for the three vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. This usually appears either next to the item name or along the top toolbar once something is selected. Click on the three dots to open a drop-down menu of actions you can perform. In that menu, choose the option labeled Move To. This tells Zoho WorkDrive that you want to change the location of the selected file or folder. When you click Move To, a new window or panel will appear, showing you your available folders and spaces. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Browse through your folder structure, select the destination where you want the file or folder to go, and confirm the move. Take a moment to double check the destination before you click the final confirm button, especially if you're moving shared or important documents. Once confirmed, Zoho WorkDrive will move your selected items to the new location